Morning. Yes, people can reply in chat. What did we see the last class? I'm expecting all of you to answer. What did we see the last class? Only if you reply, I remove the next concept. Okay, one girl has replied. What about others? See, doing this is to make you active and see, like from the beginning itself, we wanted you people to be active, answering and doing things. Okay, so kindly answer. So we all saw about mole concept, gram atomic mass, and some problems. At last class, we studied about mole concept. Okay. Okay. Yes. So now, uh, today's class, what we are going to see is we are just going to continue with wherever we have left. Okay. Yes. So last class I told you about two things. One is atomic mass. One is atomic mass. Atomic mass means I told you mass of one atom. Okay. Now, if mass number of sodium atom is 23, okay, my question is going to be Manoj. Manoj, can you unmute yourself? Oh, in my class, I'll be asking questions individually. Please be ready for that. Okay. Pranav? Pranav? Do you hear me, Pranav? You are unmuted now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranav. My question is, what will be the mass number? Mass number of sodium is 23. What is its mass in AMU?
My voice is breaking, ma'am. What are you talking, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm talking. 1 minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Now is it audible to you? Yes, Pranav. Do you hear me now? Good, Helena and Hannah. You've given me the answer. Others, Pranav? Okay. Okay, next, Akshaya. Akshaya. Okay, Divyanshu. Divyanshu, I have unmuted you. Can you answer now? What is the mass of sodium in AMU? Good, many of you have given the answer. No, Achaya, I have unmuted you. You have to just click unmute. Is my voice is audible now? Good. Many of you have given the answer as 23 AMU. Right? What is the mass of one sodium atom in grams? Who all knows the answer can raise your hands. Whoever knows the answer, okay, Guru Ashini, good. You can unmute now. I have given you the option. Who raised hands now? Those who know answer for this question can raise your hands. What is the mass of sodium atom in grams? Good, Sai Kripa. Yes, Divyanshu, I'm unmuting you. You can answer. Anshita, I have also unmuted Akshay. Yes, Divyanshu, you can answer. What is the answer? I'm not able to hear you, Divyanshu. Okay. Reply in the chat. So the answer given by, correct answer is given by um, Ramya, Prasanna. No, yes, Prasanna. No, Prasanna. That is not the right answer, Prasanna. Rajvi has given the right answer. And also Guru has given the right answer. Guru Ashini has given the right answer. Helena and Hannah has given the right answer. No, Helena, Hannah, your answer is not right. You have given the mass of 1 mole of sodium. Sai Kripa has given the right answer. Raj Balaji has given the right answer. And then Jayadarshini, Manasa. All other answer is wrong. Most of you have given the answer as 23 grams, and that is not the answer. Imagine one atom, will it be 23 grams? So you know that our body is made up of cells. Those cells are made up of atoms. Nucleus is made up of atoms. We can't even see our cell with the naked eye. How come the mass of one sodium atom will be 23 grams? Huh? Kindly understand the logic. Many of you have given the answer as 23 grams. That is not its mass. Okay, so I should know the relation between AMU and grams so that I could convert 23 AMU into 23 grams. We know that 1 AMU is equal to 1.673 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. So 23 AMU will be 23 into 1.673 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. You understand? So this is the mass of one sodium atom. Hope I have made it clear to you now. Okay, so this is your atomic mass. Okay, now next is gram atomic mass. I told you. What is gram atomic mass called as? Gram atomic mass is nothing but mass of 1 mole of atom. Which is nothing but mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 sodium atoms. Okay, so gram atomic mass is nothing but mass of 1 mole of atoms or mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 sodium atom. Okay, now we know that mass of one sodium atom is 23 into 1.673 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So mass of 1 mole in the sense it will be 23 into, now I am going to find out mass of 1 mole of sodium atom, which is nothing but 23 into 1.673 into 10 power minus 24 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. That is equal to 23 grams. So this is the mass of 1 mole of sodium atom. Hope I have made it very clear. So this is mass of 1 sodium atom and this is the mass of 1 mole of sodium atom. Clear? Okay. Hope I have made it clear. Prasanna Venkatesh, this is the mass of 1 sodium atom, Venkatesh. Okay, 1 mole in a dozen sodium atom mass, if you want, you will multiply it with 12. Similarly, if I want mass of 1 mole of, what is 1 mole? It is 6.023 into 10 power 23. If I multiply mass of 1 sodium atom in grams with 6.023, I'll get mass of 1 mole of sodium atom. 6.023 into 10 power 23 is the reciprocal of 1.673 into 10 power minus 24. So you will get the final answer as 23 grams. Hope I have made it clear now. Yes? Okay. And students, if I unmute you, kindly be ready to unmute yourself. You all understand what I am trying to say? If I unmute you, kindly be ready to unmute yourself. Okay? Whether you know the answer or not, that is secondary. First, unmute yourself. Okay. Now, Madhushreya, I am unmuting you. Can you unmute yourself?
Listen here. I have given the mute control to you now. If I tell your name, please do unmute yourself and try answering. Okay? Until then, we mute all of you. Only when you interact, I'll move to the next part, else I will not. You understand what I'm trying to say? And all of you will be able to talk. If you're not able to reply through voice, please reply in chat. I need everyone to participate. Okay, Madhushraya, you can reply the answer in chat now, whatever question I'm asking. Okay, next question that I'm going to ask is Moshik Rahul. Moshik Rahul, kindly unmute yourself. No. Mamani. Mamani, can you unmute yourself? Okay, Mamani, can you unmute yourself? Mamani? Mamani, are you talking now? Okay, fine. Who's willing to answer? Whoever is willing to answer now can unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes, who's talking now? Whoever is willing to answer can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, myself, Olive.
Very good, Olive. Thanks for participating, Olive. Yeah. My others can mute yourself. Except Olive, all others can mute. Okay, Olive. My question is going to be simple. Okay. I'm telling you that I'm taking a calcium atom. Okay. Its atomic number is 20, mass number is 40. My question is, what is mass of 0.5 moles of calcium? You can talk whatever you think regarding this question. Okay. Olive?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm asking you mass of 0.5 moles of calcium. Okay. So what are the two entities that we are comparing here?
Moles and mass of calcium.
Good. We are comparing moles and mass. Very good. So I'm asking you mass of 0.5 moles of calcium. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What else do you know about? This is the given detail. Correct? From this, what detail can you grab?
1 mole is equal to 40 AMU of calcium.
Angadan konja clarity. You need clarity. One calcium atom's mass is what?
6 point
ஒரே ஒரு calcium atom in AMU.
40 AMU.
You understand it's very small. And 1 mole of calcium atom's mass will be
40 into 6.023 into 10 power 23.
So now I understand where the misconception is. So only when you were talking now I'm able to understand that. Okay. Now so please participate. So listen here. Be in line itself. One calcium atom, one calcium atom's mass is atomic number is 20, mass number is 40. So that is 40 AMU. நீங்க தான் சொல்றீங்க. What is the mass of one calcium atom in gram? Can you say all? If I tell you 1 AMU, like இப்போ ஒரு கிலோகிராம்னா எத்தனை கிராம்? 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams?
1000 grams, ma'am.
Good. Similarly, 1 AMU is equal to 1.673 into 10 power minus 24 grams. You understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, 1 AMU it's representing the protons or neutrons or neutrons. So if you have 40 AMU, it means you have total of protons and neutrons count as 40. So you have 40 atomic mass units. Understood?
Okay.
Now, what is the mass of one calcium atom in gram?
40 into 1.673 into 10 power 23
10 power
minus 23.
minus nalla parunga. Look
24.
properly. You understand?
Yes,
Now,
miss.
what is the mass of 1 mole of calcium atom? Can you tell me?
40 into 1.673 into 10 power minus 24 into 6.023 into 10 power 23.
Very good. It already gram la irukku. This is mass in gram. This is the number 1 mole. Appo what will be the final answer?
40 gram.
Now you understand. This is mass of 6 hexylene atoms. This is mass of 1 atom. Now, coming back to the question. So, now what did you say? 1 mole of calcium atom will be 40 into 6.023. Illa. It is 40 grams. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Upon now 1 mole of calcium atom's mass, I have identified that it is 40 grams. Now what will you do? Is this a direct proportion or inverse proportion? When number of moles increases, will the mass increase or decrease?
Decrease. Ma'am.
See, 1 mole is 40 gram. 0.5 moles mass, will it be greater than 40 or less than 40?
Less than 40.
Appo number of moles decrease agumbodhu mass is also decreasing. Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is a direct proportion. When this increases, this increases. When this decreases, this also decreases. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is a direct proportion, you will write it as 0.5 by 1. They are directly proportional. So you write by x by 40. If at all, if it is inversely proportional, how will you write? 0.5 by 1 is equal to 40 by x. You understand what I am trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what will you do? X is equal to 0.5 into 40. Correct?
Yes,
What will
ma'am.
be the answer? 20.
20.
Very good. Thank you for participating, Olu. Very good, Olive. Now I think you're clear.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So next, who is willing? Next, I'm going to ask you a question. Whoever is willing can unmute yourself and talk.
Ma'am.
Yes, Lakshita. Good, Lakshita. Thanks for participating. So now the next question is, Lakshita, what is the number of moles of aluminium present in 2.7 grams of aluminium? So I unmuted. I'm going to unmute Akshaya. Yes, Akshaya, you can answer me. Oh, no, sorry. Who unmuted now?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Sorry, some before you, someone unmuted themselves. Who is it? Okay, I do not know. Okay, Akshaya, now you can talk.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Akshaya. So my question is, do you know the answer for this
Ma'am?
question? Yes, I could hear you, Akshaya. You can talk.
Hello, ma'am. I can't hear you, ma'am.
Now is my voice audible to you?
Ma'am.
Do you all hear me, kids? Okay, Akshaya, do you hear me now?
Ma'am.
Okay, Akshaya, there is some problem with your internet connection. Yes, Shri Kripa. Now, what is two entities that is being compared here?
Ma'am, two quantities compared here are moles and mass, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is the, I have asked you number of moles in
Grams.
what, how many grams? Akshaya, who is talking? Shai Kripa, are you talking?
Hello, ma'am. Can you
yes,
hear me?
Yes, I could hear you. So mass in number of moles in how many grams of aluminium?
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, I could hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 mole of aluminium is 27 gram, ma'am.
Okay. 1 mole of aluminum weighs 27 gram. From the mass number of aluminum, you are saying it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, they are asking you what will be the number of moles in 2.7 grams.
2.7 gram.
So, X is equal to what?
Ma'am, X is equal to 2.7 by 27, ma'am.
So, answer will be 0.1.
1 mole, ma'am.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. So, now my next question is going to be this. What is the number of atoms present in 2.3 grams of sodium? What is the number of atoms present in 2.3 grams of sodium? Yes, Guru Ashini. Yes, Guru Ashini, you can answer. Guru Ashini? Okay, sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am,
Yes, Guru Ashini, you can talk now. Now, what are the comparison they are talking about?
ma'am, we have to mole and mass, ma'am.
Moles and mass. But they have asked you, okay, first
What?
tell me moles and mass. Okay, then sodium's mass number is 23.
Mass number 23 grams.
23 gram for how many moles? What is the mole mass?
1.
1 mole. So 1 mole of sodium weighs 23 grams. Okay. Now they are in 2.3 grams. What is the number of moles?
X.
X. Okay. So you'll write it as 1 by.
Hello?
Yes, you can talk. Yes, Guru Ashni, you can talk. 1 by
Ma'am,
X.
your voice is breaking.
Sorry. Now is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
2.3 by 23.
X is equal. So 23 by 2.3. So X is equal to?
0.1.
Okay. Thank you. But what is 0.1 here? 0.1 mole of?
Mass.
1 mole of sodium. Am I right or not?
Yes, okay.
What is the question that I have asked you? Number of atom, not number of moles. So what is the number of atoms present in 0.1 mole of sodium?
Ma'am, I can't understand.
My question. So for 1 dozen contains how many particles?
12.
1 mole contains how many particles?
Ma'am, in the question, the 2.3.
Illama. ஒரு டசன்னா 12 particle. 1 mole means 6.023 into 23 particles. Do you understand?
Okay.
அவ்வளவுதான். So 1 mole na these many particles. Similar to ஒரு dozen similar to 1 mole. Like you're grouping 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles and you're saying it as 1 mole. Appo 1 mole if you have 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles, in 0.1 moles how many particles will you have? 0.1 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. Correct? So 0.1 you can write it as 1 by 10. That is 10 power minus 1, right? So the answer that we're getting is 6.023 into 10 power 22. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
That's all. So thank you. Now is it done? Now did you
Ma'am,
understand?
one doubt, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in 10 power minus 1 into 2.023 into 10 power minus 23 will not come. Right?
No. 1 mole is 6 hexillion number of particles. You understand? 1 mole is equal to, all of you keep in your mind, it is 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles. This is 1 mole. Have I made it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So always, so 0.1 mole contains, if 1 dozen, if it contains 12 particles, 1 dozen means 12. So 0.1 dozen means how much? Proportion, direct
10
proportion.
power. Okay.
ஒரு டசன் வந்து 1 by 0.1 is equal to 12 by x அவ்வளவுதான். So x is equal to 1 point. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. So similarly the same comparison. If 1 mole is this much, what will be 0.1? I can easily identify. If 1 mole is this, 0.1 mole, like if 1 chocolate is 10 rupee, 10 chocolates will be 100 rupee into 10. So similarly, 1 mole is 6.023. 0.1 moles will be 0.1 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You can mute
Thank
yourself.
you, ma'am.
So answers. Many of you have given the answers. Sorry that I didn't see. Yes, most of you have given the right answers for the previous questions. Like I got answers from Pranav, Vishwanadram, then again Pranav also have given, Dakshinya has given the answer, Abhishek, Akshaya, and then Shai Kripa has given, Hannah and Helena has given, Moshik has given, Pranav has given, Elilen has given. Good. All of you has given. But many of you have given the answer as 0.1 for the previous, for the last question that I asked. It's not actually 0.1 mole. I have asked you for number of atoms, correct? So you have to multiply it with 6.023 into 10 power 23, Anjuta, not 24. Also, Vittal, it is not 10 power 22, it is 10 power 23. Okay? Yes. 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay. Now, so next thing that we are going to see here is, so from this we understood one thing. What we understood is, first mass, mole, number of particles. Ma'am, what you are writing? When they ask you convert number of particles in these this much of mass, first convert it to moles and then to number of particles. Similarly, if they are asking you what is the mass of these many number of particles, 100, what is the mass of 20 atoms, 100 atoms, 24 atoms, if they ask you, first convert the number of particles to moles and then into mass. You understand what I am trying to say? Now I am going to give you few questions. Okay? And then we are just going to see how to solve the question. Okay? Yes. First question. Calculate mass of 2 moles of oxygen atom. Oxygen's mass number is 60. Next. Calculate number of moles of oxygen atom present in 32 grams of oxygen. Next question is, calculate number of oxygen atom present in 32 grams of oxygen. Start solving the question. Pranav. Good, Sai Kripa. Okay, here in the second question, instead of 32, have it as 3.2. And also in third question, instead of 32, have it as 3.2. Good, Hema Satya. Good, Akshaya. Akshaya, no, that is not the answer, Akshaya. Sai Kripa, second one is right. Good. Mohana, second one is not that. That is not the answer. Check properly. Also, good. Good, Pranav. Pranav has given all three answers right. Good. Vittal's second answer is wrong, and also so is third answer. Second, actually now, Vittal, just note that I have asked you the number of moles of oxygen atom present in 3.2 grams, not 32 grams. So you have to make a small change in your answer. Good, Elilan. Good, Elilan. Pravana, I'm sorry, Pavana, second question is not the right answer. It's not the right answer. Yes, Moshik Ragul, first question answer is right. Harit, yes, Harit, all three answers are right. Good. No, Akshaya? 3.19, yes, 3.2, right. Good, all of you. So most of you are giving answers. Nitya, second one is not 0.1. Many of you are giving the answer, but few of you are making mistake again. Okay. Now calculate the mass of 2 moles of oxygen atom. Right? I know mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom. What is the mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom? 1 mole of oxygen atom weighs. Wait a minute, I'll take a different color. 1 mole of oxygen atom weighs 16 grams from the mass number, because one oxygen atom mass is 16 AMU, so 1 mole will be 16 grams. If 1 mole is 16 grams, then I am asking you mass of 2 moles. That's it. What will be the answer? It will be 32 grams. 1 mole 16 gram means 2 moles, it will be 2 into 16, that is 32 grams. Understood? Fine. So next is calculate number of moles of oxygen atom present in 3.2 grams of oxygen atom. This is the question, correct? Again, the same comparison. Again, from the first, I know that number of 1 mole weighs 16 grams. So I'm asking you 3.2 grams weighs, how many moles does it contain, correct? So you can write 1 by x is equal to 16 by 3.2. So x is equal to 3.2 by 16. If you solve for this, the answer that you are getting is 0.2 moles of oxygen atom. Clear? Now, calculate number of oxygen atom present in 3.2 grams of oxygen. Okay, they are asking you for number of oxygen atom. So what did I say you in the previous page? If they ask you for giving mass, they have told you that you have 3.2 grams of oxygen atom. They are not asking you number of moles. They are asking you number of atoms. So this they have left. They are directly asking you this. So first, what did they say? You convert it to moles and then go here. So 3.2 grams, just now we identify that it has 0.2 moles. So now comparison, it becomes 6.023 into 10 power 23. One minute, Vishwanandram, I'll tell you. So if 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 power 23, then 0.2 moles will contain 0.2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23, right? So this is what you will get. So this is how they have identified the answer. Hope I have made it clear to you now. Good, Pavana. And 1 AMU is Vishwanandam 1.673 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Clear? Now, hope you all have copied it down. Do anyone have doubt? If you have doubt, you can raise your hands. I'll clarify it. Okay, now, so next question is 1 minute, kids. Okay, kids. Now listen here. Next, what we are going to see is we are just going to see with what is the mass of six 6.023 into 10 power 21 atoms of nitrogen. So atomic nitrogen's molar mass number is 40. Give me the answer now. Very good, Pranav. Good, Pranav. Good, Elilen. Pavana, it's not the right answer. Also, Prasanna Venkatesh, answer is not right. Jayadarshini, yes, it's the right answer. Next. Subhashri, the answer is not right, Subhashri. No, Olivia, that is not the answer. Olive, no, that is not the. I'm asking you mass of these many number of nitrogen atoms, not for one nitrogen atom. Okay, Olivia, I'm just unmuting you now so that we can discuss. You will get a clarity. Okay. Unmute yourself, Olivia. Okay. Do you hear me, Olivia, now? Olivia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Olivia. So now listen here. I am asking you mass of these many number of atoms, correct? Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Generally, what relation do you know? So here the relation is between mass and
Number of atoms.
good, mass and number of atoms. So they are asking you the mass of how many atoms?
6.023 into 10 to the power 21 atoms.
So they are asking you the mass of 6.023 into 10 power 21 atoms. Do you know mass from this detail? What can you gather? N14. Idilande, what detail do you get?
Mass of one atom is 14 grams.
Repeat one atom, for one atom you can't even see with a naked eye. How come it will be 14 grams?
1 mole of atom.
1 mole of atom is 14 grams. 1 mole na etna atom? How many atoms? Olivia?
Ma'am?
1 mole means how many atoms? Or how many particles?
6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles.
So this is 1 mole and its mass is 6.023 into 10 power 23, correct? So the mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 atom is 14 grams. Am I right or not? So I know the mass of these many number of atoms. It is 14 grams. Now will I be able to complete the question, Olivia?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. Now what will be the answer? How will you solve it? Definitely when number of atoms increases, mass also increases. Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So you'll write x by 14 is equal to Olivia. Okay, anyway, she has answered so far. X by 14 is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 21 divided by 6.023 into 10 power 23. Am I right? So what will you do? When you solve for this, you will get x is equal to 14 into 10 power minus 2. So the answer will be 0.14. That's it. So 0.14 grams. So x is equal to 0.14 grams. Hope you all given. So now do you have any doubts with this question? Not 0.014 Pavana. It's 0.14. Dakshinya, now do you understand? Hope all of you understood now. Do anyone have doubt? If you have doubts, you can raise your hands. Okay, kids. So yes, now shall we go to the next question? Now we can draw a simple comparison. Okay, you're now going to bring up the formula. Now, when I wanted to convert from moles to mass, 2 moles or a mass, when I identified what did I do? With 2 moles, I multiplied 16 gram. What is 16 gram? It is the mass of 1 mole of sodium atom. I'm sorry, 1 mole of oxygen atom, correct? When I wanted the mass of 2 moles of oxygen atom, what did I do? 2 into atomic mass of oxygen atom, I multiplied. Am I right or no? So when you wanted to convert something from moles to mass, what you are doing? You are multiplying it with the molar mass. Similarly, if you want to convert something from mass to mole, you are dividing it with molar mass. You understand? So somewhere I would have converted from mass to moles, where here 3.2 grams I converted into number of, they are asking you for number of moles in 3.2 grams. So what did I do? I divided 3.2 with 16. What is 16? It is the molar mass. Molar mass means mass of 1 mole of substance. 16 gram is the molar mass of oxygen atom. That is mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom. So 3.2 I divided it with 16. Am I right or not? So here I divided it with the molar mass. Do you understand clearly? Okay. Now, similarly, moles to number of particles you are seeing, right? So when I wanted to convert something from moles to number of particles, what did I do? Here I need to identify the number of particles in 0.2 moles. So what did I do? I multiplied it with 6.023 into 10 power 23. So here when you convert something from mole to number of particles, you multiply it with Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23. If you wanted to convert number of particles to moles, you divide it with Avogadro number, 6.023 into 10 power 20. You understand what I'm trying to say? Similarly, this relation, let's forget. This alone, if you see, you'll understand. No doubts. All of you know doubt this. If anyone have any doubts in this, can raise your hands. Okay, fine. So now let's go to the next part. The next part is, again, we are going to solve few more questions. So now that we have identified, again, from the previous model, same model, I'm going to repeat another 4 questions, but this time I'll give you only 2 minutes of time. Once I say start, you're just going to type your answer. Until that, don't type. Okay. So once I say start, you can start typing your answer. So the first question, you can keep on solving until that. So first question is, What is the number of moles of oxygen atom present in 12.046 into 10 power 23 oxygen atom? First question. Second question is, what is the mass of 6.023 into 10 power 22 oxygen calcium atom? Oxygen it is 16, calcium it is 40. Okay. Third question is, what is the number of moles of nitrogen present in 0.02 moles of nitrogen atom? No one should tell the answer unless and until I say start. First solve. I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Start solving. No one should answer until that. If you are answering, I'm not going to consider your answer. If you know the answer, type it and keep it ready. Once I say, you can just send it. Last question is, what is the number of, that's all, only 3 questions. What is the number of moles of nitrogen present in 0.02 moles of nitrogen? Actually, please, 6.023 into 10 power 23. Oh, there it is 10 power 22. In the second question, I have written it as 10 power 22. Okay, now we are just going to continue to the next frame. Now you can start sending your answers. Start. Yes, the first right answer was given by Vittal. Your second answer is not right. I'm asking you only moles for the third one. And Sai Kripa, in second question, it is 10 power 22 Sai Kripa. I think Jayadashni gave the right answer. 2 moles. And then good, 4 grams. Third one is, okay, I have made a mistake. What is the number of, okay, third question, there is a mistake. What is the number of atoms of nitrogen present in 0.02 moles of sodium? Okay, that was a mistake I made. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. So that was a mistake. So anyway, I'll consider the answer of the first 2 questions alone now. Yes, so the first right answer, most of you have given. First one, Vittal has given one answer, and also Jayadashni has given the right answer. Elilin, first question is right, second question is wrong. Third question, yes, now it is right. And then Pavana, first question it is right, second question also right, third question wrong. And yes, Manasa has given the answer. First question is right, second is right. Also, Harit has given the answer. Pranav Kumar has given the right answer. Raj Balaji has given the right answer. Then Rajvi has given, most of you have given the right answer. So the first few answers are from these students. Karun has, Karun, first question is right, second question is wrong, Karun. Okay, so now just we are going to discuss. Hema Satya has given almost right answer, but Aishwarya, first 2 answers are wrong, Aishwarya. Kindly note down, it's not right. Anyway, now just we'll go to the next question. Then we'll solve how to see this question. First question is what is the number of moles of oxygen present in 12.046 into 10 power 23 oxygen atom, correct? So now they are asking you to convert it to number of moles, number of atoms to number of moles. What is the relation that we know between number of atoms and number of moles? That is what we have to see. 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms, correct? And I have given you 12.046 into 10 power 23 atoms. So what is the number of mole I am asking? So you will write 6.023 into 10 power 23 divided by 12.046 into 10 power 23 equal to 1 by x. So x is equal to 2 moles. So the answer for the first question is 2 moles. Whoever has written answer 2 is very good. Good. So next question that I asked you was, what is the mass of 6.023 into 10 power 22 calcium atom? Okay, again here what we are going to do is, we are just going to compare between mass and number of atoms, not number of moles. Okay, I know that mass of 1 mole of calcium atom. Which question we are talking about? About this question, about calcium. From this one, I get the detail as mass of 1 mole of calcium atom is 40 grams. Mass of 1 mole of calcium atom is 40 grams. So, 1 mole means, but here I do not need mole. Number of atom na basic. So, mole to number of atom means 1 mole is nothing. I know it is 40 grams, but for 1 mole. 1 mole na how many atoms? 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. So, mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms, I know. What did I ask you? I asked you what is the mass of 6.023 into 10 power 22. So 6.023 into 10 power 22 x. So you write 40 by x is equal to 22. Sorry. 6.023, 6.023 cancelled. So you get 10 power 23 by 10 power 22. So x is equal to 40 by 10. So x is equal to what? 4. So mass of these many number of atoms is 4 grams. You understand what I am trying to say? Now, next thing that you have is, what is the number of atom present in 0.02 moles of nitrogen atom? Now it is simple. So number of atoms present in 0.02 moles of nitrogen atom means, we know that 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 power 23. So 0.02 moles contain how many atoms? Correct? So 0.02 into 6.023 into 10 power 20. Correct? So it's 2 by 100. 2 into 10 power minus 2. So you get 12.046 into 10 power 21. That's all. So this will be the final answer. You all understand what I'm trying to say? So that's all. So we have revised as much as possible. I have given you practice. So the next last part that you will be having is just calculate. And now that we know, if I'm asking you what is the mass of one carbon dioxide molecule, one CO2 molecule. Molecule is nothing but atoms combine chemically to form molecule. Okay. So one CO2 molecule now, for carbon that I know that is 12 AMU, and for oxygen I know 16 AMU, one oxygen atom. So here you have two oxygen atoms. So I know that it is 32 AMU. So mass of one CO2 molecule is 45 AMU. Now my question is, what is the mass of 1 mole of CO2 molecule? Huh? So 44 AMU, if you convert it to grams, mass of one CO2 molecule in gram is 44 into 1.673 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Okay, so mass of 1 mole of CO2 molecule will be 44 into 1.673 into 10 power minus 24 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. So this will get cancelled. So the final answer that you get will be 44 grams. Correct? So mass of one CO2 molecule, one CO2 molecule, one CO2 molecule, it is 44 AMU, and mass of 1 mole, mole where a molecule where 1 mole of CO2 molecules is 44 grams. This is molecular mass, this is gram molecular mass. Do you all understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, now the homework for you is calculate the gram molecular mass for following molecules. Refer your periodic table and find out for following molecules. This is the homework for you. Okay, first one CO2, second one O2, third one Al2O3, fourth one Al2SO4 thrice, fifth one KNO3, sixth one sulfur trioxide, seventh one H2SO4. That's it. So try identifying the molecular mass for these questions. Please explain the first question. Which question you are asking? This one you are saying? See, one CO2 molecule, the weight is, I'm just showing you. Have you all copied down this? Please do copy it down first. Okay, so all of you have copied. So I'll just go move to the next part. See, what I'm saying you is, if a CO2 molecule, it contains one carbon and two oxygen. Again, one carbon, two oxygen is a negligible number, or a very small molecule. Atom itself is very small. So molecule will also be very, very, very small. Okay, now, so I can say that I know the mass number of carbon is 12 and oxygen is 16. So one carbon atom's mass is 12 AMU. Two oxygen atom mass is 2 into 16. That is, it is 32 AMU. So the total mass will be 12 plus 32, it is 44 AMU. This is the molecular mass. That is mass of one molecule. First note down this. Mass of one molecule. Clear? Now, if I wanted to find out mass of 1 mole of molecule, I wanted to know the mass of 1 mole of molecule. How am I going to identify? For example, I took carbon dioxide. 1 molecule of CO2 weighs 44 AMU. That is 44 into 1.673 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So 1 mole of CO2 molecule will weigh 44 into 1.673 into 10 power minus 24 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. Hope I made it clear. இது ஒண்ணுனா 1 மோல்னா எவ்வளவு பார்ட்டிகல் 6.02. அப்போ answer will be 44 grams. Clear? அப்போ 44 AMUங்கிறது molecular mass, 44 gramங்கிறது molar mass or mass of 1 mole of molecule. So you call it as gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass is nothing but mass of 1 mole of molecule. That is called as gram molecular mass. That is mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of weight. Hope I have made it clear. So please do complete your homework when you come for the next class. Note down this. Hope you all have noted it down. Okay. Now try identifying the gram molecular mass. That is mass of 1 mole of molecule of all these substances. Clear? So shall I end up the class? Hope you don't have any doubts. Students, you have to kindly submit your homework next class. I'll check. Okay, kids. Thank you so much. I'm just ending the meeting. See, in stg.learnity.com, login. After login, there will be a link regarding this topic and you will have to submit it. Okay? Just log in. You will have your login ID and password. Using that you have to log in. Fine? Okay, kids. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.